Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, open your maths countdown book page number 132. Today we will do question number 6 and 7 of chapter money. So the first question number 6 is convert these into paise only. Okay. So students, when we have to convert rupees into paise, simply we have to remove rupees and point. Okay, we will just write 6 to 10. We will remove rupees and point, just like that. So students, we will not write rupees. When we will convert these into paise, when we will convert rupees into paise, we will cut rupees and also we will remove point. We will just write the number 6 2 1 0. Okay, in this way rupees 9.85. Again we will remove the rs and point, so we will just write the number. Okay, when we will convert rupees into paise, we will remove rupees and point and just write the number. Simply write the number 985. And students, in this way, because from rupees to paise, we are converting rupees into paise. So here they write P for paise. This is a short form of paise. Okay, but if they didn't write in exam P, you will write, after writing this number, you will write P, paise. Okay, rupees 21.05. Again rupees will, we will not write rupees and not put this point. We will just write 2105 and P, which shows paise. In this way we will complete this side, rupees 123.45, and we will convert it into paise. So what we will do, students? We will cut the rupees and also remove the point. We will just write 1 2 3 4 and 5 paise. 1 2 3 4 5. We will just write the number without point and without rupees to make it paise. And the next number, rupees 496.15, is equals 4, first number 9, then 6, then 1, then 5. P. Rupees 18.75 is equals 18 and 75 paise. Okay, students? Students, now you understand this question. Convert this into paise only. They write in rupees and we have to convert into paise. So when we convert rupees into paise, what we will do? We will remove rupees and point. We will just write the number and then in the end we will write P. Okay, in all these questions. And move to the next question, number 7. Convert these into rupees and paise. The first one is 725p is equals rupees 7.25. So now they give us the number in paise and we have to convert it into rupees in the same way. Okay, so as they give us into this side and we have to write this side. They give us paise. Okay, convert these into rupees and paise. So to make it into rupees and paise, what we will do, students, first of all we will write rupees. RS is a short form of rupees. First of all we will write rupees, and then as you can see this number, there are 3 digits, 1 2 and 3. So students, after 2 digits, not from this side, from your right side. So students, from your right side you will leave 2 digits Okay, 0 and 8, 1 and 2 digits, and here you will put point. So it will become 3 rupees 3.80. The next one, 3840. Now there are 4 digits, but you will just start 1 and 2. You will count 1 and 2 from your right side, okay, from your right hand side. 1 2, and after 1 2 you will put a dot, you will put a point over here. First of all, write rupees and then write the same number, 38.40. Okay, after two numbers you will put a point. Okay, so in the same way you will write the same number, first of all 3 4 and 5, and then 1 2. After two numbers, skip two numbers and then put a point, rupees 3.45. In the same way, students, as you know that this, you will just write the number same to same, but first of all you will write rupees, then write the number, that is rupees. First of all you will write rupees and then 10 3 5, and then what we will do, we will count 1 2. After 1 2 two numbers you will put a point. Again in the next number, first of all you will write rupees, because this question is about rupees and paise. So first of all we will write rs, that means rupees. Then we will write the same number 905, and then student we will count from the which side, right side. This is our right side, so we will count the digits from this side, 1 2, skip two digits and put a full stop. In the same way, next number, first of all we will write rupees, then we will write the number as it is, 4500, and then we will count from right side 1 2, and we will put a point. Understand, students? In this way you will complete both of these questions, and also do practice of these questions. Okay, very simple and very easy questions. There is no difficulty in these questions. So but if you feel any problem, so you can discuss with me. Okay, take care.